parked like an idiot here, but it's not really a good spot to be working from. So we're doing our HVAC pickup here, number 3. And let's see where we might be going. Pete's not here yet, but that's one of his guys, obviously. So let's see where the HVAC stuff is. Of course, it's down there. Okay, actually, but there's at least there's a pathway. Now, I don't want to park in the neighbor's driveway, but I will use his driveway to wheel up here. I like these concrete pads actually because they're super light, but they're anyway. But yeah, they're concrete, so they're weather resistant. So yeah, I've been thinking more about diesel fuel. Yesterday, I just because of timing, I fueled up at a place that I normally don't. I mean, you know me, I'm a cheap, miserable guy, so I obviously buy the cheapest diesel around, which is usually the Canco stuff. But yesterday I got, I think it was Husky or maybe Esso. I think it was Esso. I gotta just check next time which one it was. But the truck is running great today, and the temperature is -2 right now. Okay, and it's not hiccuping and doing all the weird stuff and whatever. It's just running. So it started running smooth the whole day. So here's my thinking on this. I think a couple things might be happening. Either Canco is just trying to get rid of the last of their summer diesel, and why wouldn't they? Because, you know, whatever, they're cheap, and you know, whatever. Oh, we don't want to switch to winter diesel or whatever. So it's my truck's starting to run crap because we don't got the winter diesel in there. So I think we're going to keep playing with that and go with whatever that was, Shell, whatever. We'll figure it out and see if that gets rid of the hiccups and the smoke in that this winter. So yeah, because I mean, it should be running worse today. It's colder. Although maybe the humidity or whatever. But anyway, I think kind of some of it's kind of, the kinks are ironing themselves out here, just through a bit of luck. So we'll just see how it goes. Take it from there. Okay, we got a nice hot water tank again this time. Oh, look at that. That's a friggin' beauty. Oh, it's gas though. Okay, we're just gonna strip it and toss it then. All right, and we're trying to hustle because we're waiting for the fridge delivery to show up today that we're taking down to Penticton. It's coming in. There's copper on this one here. Look at this. Copper, copper, copper. Copper, copper, copper. Steel. Copper, copper. Copper, copper. Okay, that was a quick one. We're running a whole lot better today. There's almost no hiccups in the engine. There was just all these little hiccups and little puffs of smoke and whatever. So we're just gonna try buying better fuel this winter, and we'll see if that beats the engine coughing that I'm getting on this stuff here. So I mean, not all fuel is created equal to a fussy little diesel engine here. So we shall see. All right. Alright, we're pulling up to our address here in Penticton. Oh, that's not going to work. We're just gonna walk this down here. Oops. Maybe we can squeeze you in here. Let's see. Oh, if you can get in there.
Yep.
You got it? So that's all we got.
Oh, there we go.
Right on. Okay, perfect.
asked you to bring the bucket. Yes, I did. Sitting right where you were standing.
Oh, that feels good, eh? Get a nice clean in there. It's always, people are always embarrassed about what's under their couch, and I go, well, how are you gonna get to, you guys are too old to be moving couches around and fridges?
So we won't have to redesign the cupboards?
No cupboard redesign. Oh, it's gonna be pretty snug. Now I see it's got a bit of a wobble. It's usually, we need a leg adjustment here, so let's see if we can figure that. I'll do that in a second. Let me just have a look here. Okay, oh, this one here, perfect. This one looks adjustable. There we go, perfect.
Do you need a level?
Well, it's just gonna go where it touches the floor.
Okay.
So, what a
Something that you have.
yeah, it doesn't. It'll have. I mean, it's give or take. Okay. It's just gonna, as long as it fits under the cupboard, and it's running snug. Let's see here. So it is actually a little bit unlevel, but there's actually what I can do is I can try lifting the back leg a little bit, and that could level it out. That could do a little there. Let's see if that one's adjustable. No, they only give us the two front ones. Okay, so I'm going to lower this one just a bit, and then we'll see if we can get it closer. Okay, that's as low as that goes. And then this is a little more to be touching, and that's it. That's all we get.
Okay.
Anyway, it's going to be no worse than the other. Probably the floor's got a bit of a slant to it.
Yeah.
Like,
Good.
got lots of clearance there.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to plug it in now, I think.
Okay.
Just double check that. All right.
I grabbed the Christmas stocking there.
I see. No, it's okay. I'll just put it there. I'll just put it there. All right. Okay. Let's got a little protector there. There we go there. Here it is. There's the beep. Let's get that off here. Oh, it's gonna need a knife.
Somebody's texting you.
It's probably Scott.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I think we're good here. I think we can start refilling. Let me just take this cover off here. Oh, the drip tray. All right. All right. Bad drip tray. Come on here. Hang on there. Let's see. Is this gonna go this way? Maybe. Nope. Yep. Oh, just barely. That's it. Okay, piece of cake. So yeah, on the way over here, the truck collected a very small rock chip, which is always annoying. So I'm gonna, in the past, 3 or 4 rock chips I've just taken into the shop, and that's all fine. They were bigger and whatnot, but we're kind of phasing out the Atlas here. So I think I'm just going to try the crazy glue fix and see if that gets me through. It's probably just the freezing. I think it's the freezing that does the damage. Oh, like that. Come on, quit fighting me. Okay, so anyway, cardboard. You can probably barely see it. The whole thing is a couple millimeters across. No real spidering, so I don't know. I think I'm just going to do a U-brew fix on it.
400 for a huge bin.
Yeah, I mean, it's not like those guys were doing all this recycling and whatnot, right?
Well, that's what I was trying to explain to Dolores. There's like a bit or two that's got some paint.
Oh, so clutter guys are probably just throwing that shit right in the dumpster.
Right in the dump.
Like a bunch of idiots.
Madeline, like all the bags, there doesn't feel like there's any garbage. It's just stuff she threw in. All donatable or sellable.
Uh-huh. But I thought her job was to liquidate brush. She's a liquidator.
Anything she thinks she can sell.
Oh, that's what it is. Okay, so she takes what she can sell, and then you get the rest. Is that how it works?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So you get all kinds of stuff. Just
After the auction in February, I'm gonna have me back. I'll probably end up with this massage chair. And,
yeah, yeah, a bunch of stuff that's not going to sell. Bruh. Got a BMW 335 here. Is that a good vehicle?
I-S-I-R.
Oh, it's just an I. It's just an I. Let's see if they're home here.
That's not bad. That's like 890.
I'm dropping off the fridge here for that.
That's what they would call an E30 or E35.
Uh-huh. Okay, so this fridge was 2013. They said it's starting to make noise. So, Anyway, I swapped in the new one. And now I got to take off to do a pickup in West Side. Ooh, hey, where's the recycling center in Penticton?
I don't know. There used to be one in the big city, but
Wondering if it's worth it to me to try to get rid of these locally here. 67 Pineview. Okay, good. All right, we're almost done here. Oh, look at that. It is our lucky day. We got, are they open? Are they open? Yes! Got executive parking here at El Vecchio Delicatessen, which, and it's not even crowded. Oh my goodness. Which in my mind is the best sandwich place in the valley. They always got fresh bread and really good meats. And everything's good here. All right. El Vecchio. Oh yeah, so I guess it's all. Oh, it's quite a bit actually. Didn't look like that much in the pictures.
Keep adding to it.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, actually, yeah. If you want to move that, then I can.
That's Blake's there smacking yelling at him shirt.
Oh, is he down there? If he shows up, I'll just start loading. Honestly, it's gonna take me 15 minutes, and it's gonna take me 10. Yeah, it's all good. If he shows up, we'll get him to move. Oh, this is quite a driveway. Holy man, you guys got a job here. Are you done with all this rebar here? There's a,
the shorts?
yeah. Nothing left to form up, eh? Okay. Well, we'll see.
Alright, there's just one twisty one there. Yeah, you can't see it. You're good.
Okay. Whew. All right. Oh, goodness. Just picked up this amount of garbage. My guy figures somehow I'm going to get all this into my trailer. Anyway, whatever. Let's just do it. 5 minutes from home, so we'll find a way to just hump it back. Holy man, there's a lot of garbage here. Okay, we made it out. Let's give you the tour there. Had a nice little gate. Yeah, this is my neck of the woods here. It's up in East Kelowna. It's kind of right in the center here. This is the highest point. So a special little house there. And I am glad to be done this one. And I am 2 minutes from home, so let's go home. Okay, I got some of these crazy glue little multi-packs. You just twist the lid on and it breaks a new seal, which is good because the crazy glue just spoils as soon as you open it. So it's pretty much a one-time use sort of thing. So there's my boy. There's my boy. So anyway, I heated up the windshield on the way home because it is kind of cold out. And I filled those holes. And it went really well. I actually filled all the ones, even the ones that had been previously filled. I thought, why not dose them up like that? And stinky stuff. Cyanoacrylate. Anyway, yeah, I think it is going to do fine for. Maybe I have to redo it every year, but the problem is to go in to see a window guy. It takes like 2 hours out of my day, and then 30 or 40 bucks, and then I got to unhitch the trailer. And the worst part of all is I have to let someone else drive my vehicle, which obviously is not something that I particularly fond of. My boy, what are you doing? Come inside. Boy, let's go inside. Okay, go ahead. All right, so one final thing. I get a lot of even heavy cardboard, light cardboard, heavy cardboard. It's all a nuisance. But the bandsaw is going to make pretty short work of it, especially this heavier, thicker cardboard. Oh, it's hitting the blade there, or the belt. So yeah, I mean, a big sheet like this. Let's turn it into kindling. Look at that, hey? Bandsaws now. Oops. It's crashing around here. Just like that.